I used to run my own, HR consulting business at that time.
You talk about arranged marriage, you talk about a lot of things, तो जिसमें आपकी वाइफ के आसपास कंटेंट घूमता है.
And her parents said that आपको पता है कि हमें कितना टाइम हो जाता है हंसे हुए. All write our own jokes. So we are not just stand-up comedians, we are content creators.
नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, कैसे हैं आपके हाल? मेरा नाम है ऋतु. Before I start this on, say thank you to each one of you subscribe to my channel. Big thank you, and to the people who are watching for the very first time, do subscribe. It's free. As of now, today we have Amit Tandon with us. Thank you, sir, for giving me this interview. Amit Tandon has performed in 25 plus countries. He makes joke out of real life and travels the world to tell it. Netflix show किया है, 100 million plus views है, sir. But I want to start with the idea. I want to start with the idea in your head, sir, कि कभी आपको realize हुआ कि मैं इसे professionally करूँगा?
काफी देर तक ऐसा कुछ था नहीं प्लान. Actually, I was running my own business and I got into comedy purely के चलो थोड़ा एक as a hobby start करते हैं. But then slowly I realized that people pay good money to watch comedy also, and it was not ticket sales or anything. It was more for the corporate shows, when I did my first corporate show, after 4 years being in comedy, I still remember it was 2013. And I used to run my own, HR consulting business at that time. When I did my first corporate show in comedy, it was for Deloitte. And, what happened was they booked us. And they booked our flights. They booked us in a very fancy 5-star hotel. I think it was Bombay, Grand Maratha. And the payment came in advance. So at that time I felt मैंने कहा यार मतलब ठीक है, fashion ठीक है, but ये तो business ही काफी अच्छा है.
Like the whole process of love marriage is based on the fact कि जो आदमी confidently झूठ बोल सकता है उसकी हो जाएगी.
मुझे ना आपसे ये बात करनी है. आप अपनी वाइफ के बारे में बहुत सारी इंसिडेंट बताते हो, फैमिली के बारे में इंसिडेंट बताते हो, तो क्या आपकी वाइफ आपको ऐसा गुस्सा करती है कि आधा पैसा मुझे दो, क्योंकि आधा कॉन्फिडेंस तो वो आपको देती है? यू टॉक अबाउट अरेंज मैरिज, यू टॉक अबाउट अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स, तो जिसमें आपकी वाइफ के आसपास कंटेंट घूमता है. सो इज शी लाइक लाइफ में भी ऐसे, लाइक दिस इज ऑल रियल लाइफ इंसिडेंट?
So a lot of that is real life incidents, okay. बट आधा पैसा नहीं, सारे पैसे उसी को ही मिलते हैं अब तो, बिकॉज शी मैनेजेस द फाइनेंस. सो ऐसा नहीं. हाँ, तो एंड इसीलिए शी डजंट हैव
लाइक दैट. यू वर्क फॉर हर.
हाँ, इन अ वे आई वर्क फॉर हर. तो हम जिस कंपनी में, मुझे उस कंपनी में सैलरी भी नहीं मिलती जिस कंपनी की वो डायरेक्टर है.
सही. अच्छा, मैंने ना अपनी मम्मी को बताया कि मैं आपका इंटरव्यू ले रही हूँ, तो उन्होंने मुझे बताया क्या कि ये बंदा सही है. एंड लाइक कि ये बंदा क्यों सही है? उन्होंने ये बंदा ना क्लीन कॉमेडी करता है, कोई गाली नहीं, कुछ नहीं. तो अब ये आपका एक्स फैक्टर है, लाइक व्हाट इज इट?
हाँ, तो ये मेरा ये भी इशू है कि मेरी ऑडियंस ना थोड़ी सी 30-35 प्लस वाली है. So it's not the kind of audience that would run after you. तो मैं वही बताता हूँ कि मतलब my audience is arthritis audience. Clean का ऐसा था कि मैंने जब कॉमेडी स्टार्ट भी करी थी, I was already 32-33 years old, and I had kids. I was living with my parents, so I was used to watching my language in front of kids and elders.
ठीक है.
तो शुरू के जब मैं बिट्स करता था तो उसमें मैं थोड़ा गालियाँ देता भी था, इस बात में, क्योंकि दोस्तों के साथ देते हैं, गालियां भी देते हैं, edgy material. I do some edgy material, but within an year and a half of starting comedy, I realized कि if there is a child in the audience or if there is an elder in the audience, तो मेरे को ना थोड़ी शर्म आती थी कुछ भी ऐसा सेट बोलने में, मेरे झिझक आती थी, मेरे मुंह से नहीं निकलता था. So then I realized, I decided कि मैंने कहा कि चलो यार क्लीन कॉमेडी करते हैं, कम से कम टेंशन फ्री करेंगे. लिखने में थोड़ा सा चैलेंज ज्यादा होगा, बट स्टेज पे जाके ये नहीं होगा कि सामने कोई दिख गया, अब मैं लास्ट मिनट सोच रहा हूँ यार ये वाला जो करूँ नहीं करूँ.
सबसे बुरा हाल होता था स्कूल की पैंट का. आप क्लास पास कर जाते थे, आपकी नई पैंट का बजट नहीं पास होता था, तो मम्मी क्या करती थी, 2 इंच पोंचे खोल देती थी पीछे से कमर. मेरी काले रंग की पैंट होती थी, पीछे इतना बड़ा वी बन जाता था.
आप ना बाहर भी काफी परफॉर्म करते हो, आउट ऑफ कंट्री, तो ना मुझे ये भी जानना है कि क्या डिफरेंस होता है इंडियन ऑडियंस और इंडियन अब्रॉड ऑडियंस में, जब मिक्स ऑडियंस आती है, तो क्या मतलब कुछ डिफरेंस होता है?
तो जो अब्रॉड वाली ऑडियंस है इंडियन, एक तो दे आर नॉर्मली I have seen they are a little bit more conservative in most cases as compared to the Indian audience. Okay, thoda sa, so that's why somewhere it helps me because I do clean comedy. So
वो factor that gives you edge.
और second क्या है कि मतलब जो बाहर की audience है ना, उसमें response I feel कि 30-40% extra आता है, क्योंकि they are not just laughing at the jokes, but there's a lot of nostalgia also involved. Because for them it's all like a live show in when I'm doing it in Toronto or in Jersey. It's not just a show where people have come from their homes. It's almost like a festival for them.
Let me give out a secret about married men. When a married man is traveling, he makes one call every day, which is called the attendance call.
What is your writing pattern? Like you talk about arranged marriage. तो arranged marriage हो तो कितना time हो गया? कभी आपको how did you select the topic कि ये वाला अच्छा रहेगा? And how did you create the whole set of comedy jokes and वो सब? Like I want to understand the process.
There are 3-4 things that I do. So one is a lot of comedy comes from pain. Okay, so one method of writing comedy is you think about all the things that irritate you. When I'm writing about, for example, mobile phone, or I'm writing about Facebook, so it generally comes from, or if I'm writing about airports, for example, normally it comes from a point of irritation, because when you go to the airport, the long queues, people are cutting queues even when they are getting into the same plane. So a lot of comedy comes from that. Then the other is what I've done in, for example, in arranged marriages, that it is something that where you're trying to narrate a life story, your own story, but at the same time, so there is a lot of truth in what I'm saying, and then I add my observations to it.
What is the happiest moment in your comedy life? कि आपको कोई fan mail आया हो या fan moment, the one that you felt मतलब this is good man, like मुझे ये करना था. And this is what I've got. Maybe a small recognition, maybe a big paycheck, maybe कोई बाहर का performance. Anything that you remember, the highest one, the one that you felt कि मजा आया.
The one that I think about a lot is when I performed. I think this was 3-4 years ago. There's a particular disease where your legs and hands don't work properly. I performed for 40-45 minutes. Then I got off stage, and I still remember there's this elderly couple. They came to me and said that our daughter wants to shake hands with you. And I went up to her, and she was a very pretty girl, 20-21 year old. She was on a wheelchair. Still remember her. She didn't have any control over her hands, so I had to hold her hand myself. And then her parents said that आपको पता है कि हमें कितना टाइम हो जाता है हंसे हुए, इतना तो हम कभी भी नहीं हंसे. पर like when I started listening to these guys, हम लोग कंप्लेन करते हैं छोटी छोटी चीजों पे कि जी वीकेंड खराब हो गया, ये हो गया, वो हो गया, आज दिन खराब. उनकी लाइफ में कोई हॉलीडे है ही नहीं, उनकी लाइफ में कोई वीकेंड नहीं. They are tending to those kids, they are tending to their parents, or their kids or their husbands or wives all the time. And when you made them happy for 40-45 minutes, no amount of money that can actually give you that kind of stuff.
Achha, my last question, so what do you think is the future of comedy in India? What do you think कि अब इसके बाद क्या होगा? क्या हो सकता है?
So what has happened is that the comedians that have come in now, the live comedians, in the last 10-12 years, a lot of us, we all write our own material. Okay, we all write our own jokes. So we are not just stand-up comedians, we are content creators, we are, writers. Okay, so now a lot of us are moving beyond comedy and writing to express our, thoughts or our ideas through other mediums. So we are writing series, we are acting in series, there are movies being written. So we are slowly getting into the same domain as American comedians went through in 70s and 80s. So 70s there was a lot of stand-up comedy happening in America. And then comedians go to Tonight Show. They started hosting Tonight Show. Then got into movies. You had Seinfeld doing his own series. So the same journey, I think in the next few years, you'll see a lot of that happening in India, with comedians.
I hope you really like me. I hope you really like my vlog. If that is the case, you know what you have to do. Please consider liking, sharing, commenting and subscribing to this channel क्योंकि free है. कर दो ना यार.